Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to the math class. Before we begin, let me wish you all a happy new year 2021. Today, we are going to learn about probability. The lesson objectives are to describe the chance and use a probability scale. Also to find the probability of an event. What's the difference between chance and probability? Chance is described in words. What is the chance of winning a lottery? What is the chance of getting your favorite meal today for lunch? We may answer with these words: impossible, unlikely, even chance, likely, or certain. While probability is more mathematical, it is given as a numerical value. It is always given as a fraction, decimal, or percentages. What is a probability scale? I think you have learned about the probability scale before. Anyway, let's have a recap. This is a line where events can be placed to show the chance or probability of an event occurring. So some event is going to occur. What is the chance of it to occur? So this is a line. You can see how the chance are represented by impossible, unlikely, even, likely, and certain. While probability, on the same line, I can represent the probability using numerical values. Impossible by 0 and certain by 1. So the value of probability is always between 0 and 1. Remember, probability is always a proper fraction. You know what is a proper fraction, right? It is a proper fraction or a decimal less than 1. It is a value between 0 and 1. Probability is never less than 0 and it can never be greater than 1. Placing probability events on the scale. Let's see through examples. An event A. What is the probability of flipping a head on a coin? You are tossing a coin before the cricket match. They toss the coin to decide whether to bat or bowl. Similarly, what is the probability of getting a head? So we know that there are two possible outcomes, a head or a tail, and the probability of head will be one chance out of two. So the probability of event A is 1 upon. Let's see another event. Event B. Probability of rolling a number under 7 on a dice. When you throw a dice, what are the possible outcomes? Either it is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 6. So out of 6, getting a number less than 7, it's 100% sure, right? So we say the probability is 1. Now the event C, probability of rolling a number 5 on a dice. So on a dice there is only one 5. So there is one chance of getting a 5 out of 6. So I can say it is 1 out of 6. So the probability of getting a 5 is 1 upon 6. Let's see a few more examples. Here the event A is flipping a head or a tail on a coin. That is almost sure, right? When you flip a coin, you will either get a head or a tail. So it is certain. 1, the value is 1. Now, event B, probability of rolling an odd number on a dice. Now tell me quickly, which are the odd numbers on a dice? 1, 3 or 5. So there are 3 chances, 3 out of 6. So we can say 3 upon 6, which can be simplified to 1 upon 2. 3 upon 6 can be reduced to 1 upon 2. Now see, probability of rolling a number less than 5. So less than 5 on a dice, which are the numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 chances, 4 upon 6, which can be reduced to 2 upon 3, but it can be written as 4 upon 6 as well. Now you might have an idea of writing the probability. So you need to remember probability of an event is equal to number of ways it can happen upon total number of outcomes. This you need to remember. Always count the total number of outcomes first, then find the probability. And your probabilities are always given as a fraction. Decimal also you can write. Even in percentage, but we avoid percentages. But I cannot say that they are wrong. Here is how the rule works. A bag contains 6 blue marbles, 5 red and 9 green marbles. What's the probability of selecting a green marble from the bag? So from the bag you are just picking up a marble at random. What is the probability of it being green? So what is the possible outcomes, total possible outcomes? 6 plus 5 plus 9. So look at this. 9 green marbles are there. So 9 chances for green upon the total outcomes becomes 20. How the 20 came? You added 6, 5 and 9. So 9 possible ways. Total is 20. So 9 upon 20. This will be your answer. Read the question very carefully. A bag contains 6 blue, 5 red and 9 green marbles. What's the probability of selecting a green or red from the bag? A green or red. That means how many green or red are there? 9 plus 5, 14. The total outcomes the same, 20. So 14 upon